Namaste, future developers. Welcome back to SBComputter, your gateway to exciting world of React.js. Today, I am thrilled to give you a sneak peek into the incredible project you will be building in our React.js front-end engineer course. Let's begin the video. This is the project, what you will going to build from scratch using React in this course. In this project, I have used the JSX where JavaScript meets XML to create the stunning, dynamic and expressive user interface. Here you can see the over effect for this button, and in menu I have created the sub menu like this, you can see, and here you can see the transition effect like this, and here I have used many other components to build the block of Reacts that contributes to the functionality of the project. And you can see the hover effect. This is the our portfolio section where you can see the hover effect is really good and professional looking. Here I have even created the button. So yes, we can even navigate like this to see other case study like this. And this is the counterpart, and this is made fully from React only. There is another section. This is team section, and when you hover, we can see their name and their position in the company, and even we can click for their social media account. This is another section, and this section I have created like the latest news. Here also we can navigate like this, and it is very smooth, and looks is also professional with this hover effect. And this is the footer part. This is the another portfolio layout completely developed using the React. You will be going to build this too in this course. So here you can see the button and the menu and sub menu part. Here I have used one-way data binding that ensures change in the data automatically that reflect in our UI. And in this course, you will even learn UI and UX design. And let's move forward, and here you can see the categories, and when we click this category like this, the page didn't needs to reload. Only the components are only changing, so that our website will be run very fast. So here I have used Pursuit DOM that optimizes rendering, making this application lightning fast and even responsive. So let's go further down, and here footer section, and even you can see the hover effect here. It is very smooth and looking very nice. We can move. I have created like this. Yeah, like this. This is the admin dashboard layout, where I have used Tailwind CSS, TypeScript, React hooks, Redux, React router. This is fully responsive, and I have used many other technology to build this admin dashboard. So you can see here, and here in CRM section, there is a calendar like this. There is mail section, sales section, yeah. So customer section. So this is the admin dashboard, fully developed by using React. Exciting, isn't it? Now imagine being the creator of such incredible projects. If you are ready to turn your coding dreams into reality, join us at SBComputter. Enroll in our React Front-End Engineer course, where you not only learn these amazing features but apply them to build projects that make a real impact. Don't just code, create. Enroll today, and let's bring your vision to life. See you in SBComputter. I am Suman Basnet, signing out.